every day we come, we show you where this is going, and we started here. We started on this day. How is the day? Is that I think on the 1st of November. Yeah, the date is here. And with our way of trading, we are getting this slowly. We go already almost 50% up. And this is not because I'm over trading or not anything like that. If you look at the trade, I've been getting some a drawdown. I get some losses here. I got some losses. You're not gonna have everything perfect. You're gonna take some losing trades as well. But I say to everybody that as far as you are trading, you have some losses and you have some profit. But the difference is at the end of the year, of the month, or at the week, what counts is your success, where your trades are heading. We all gonna take some losses. We all gonna take some losses. It's not finished. There is some few losses on it. And if you look at the size that I take, it's not big. And I'm not risking crazy. You can see 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. The maximum is when the market, I can't change history. So this is where I manage my trade. People say, how do you manage your trade? This is exactly what I'm doing each and every day together with you guys here. If you look at here, I took, I think, 40-pound loss, 46-pound loss. I'm taking some losses. It's not like magic that you don't lose trade. I lose trade. But like I said, when my trade goes down, I don't commit suicide. I don't go angry. I know that along the way, I will build it back again along the way. So this is the point. I'm building the confidence of these guys. Everybody. This morning, like I said, as soon as I wake up, I look at the market. Right now, we are looking to this. I'm looking at this, and I told everybody to keep a close eye on this so we can look at it daily. I don't like using MT4 for this, but we're gonna go straight onto the channel chart here, which is the trading view. Okay, so now Aussie dollar is here. I said to you guys that we are every sell. And by the way, if you look at most of the profit, where is the profit coming from? I told all of you to sell Aussie dollar. And if you look at the trade that I'm in, you can see the account history. You can see that most of my profit is coming from the Aussie dollar that I told everybody to be taking. Here is it exactly from here. You can see the Aussie dollar is what is cleaning the money for me. My focal point, the most trade I've been taking is Aussie dollar. Even up to here, it started from Aussie dollar, and every 90% of my trade is from the Aussie dollar. Why do I do that? Because as a successful trader, and as a professional trader, and as an experienced trader, it is not how many currencies that you take, it's about how you execute your enemy. The market is our enemies. The market is the one that is trying to take us out of our pocket. He's trying to put us into bankruptcy. So that is your enemy. Your enemy is not the person that throws on you. Your enemy is not the person that is hating you. Right now, your enemy is the one who is going to stop your family from eating. And this is where you are taking your daily bread from. So for me to execute this, I focus on 1 or 2, 3 pairs with discipline. And I said to myself that whatever the Aussie is doing, I'm not going to buy. I will only look for sell in Aussie. And if you look at this, Aussie, 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 Aussie. You see, all this section, Aussies. I don't take a joke. I've been hating the Aussie. And when the sale started happening, I was able to make 50% of this Aussie. And it's a way that don't get distracted. I say to my students in the classroom that, guys, focus on 1 or 2 pairs. If the trade is not ready, don't cry. Don't commit suicide. Don't jump. Don't get frustrated. If you change too many pairs, you're going to get knocked down. You're going to be frustrated. You're going to lose inside, and then you are losing your money. If you look at here, I didn't focus. There was days that during the first 3 weeks of the election, I said to everybody, please don't trade. Wait for the market. Wait for the market. Do you take them today? Yes. I mean, today we have trades open today, brother. I told the classroom, this is the open trades we have right now. All my students are in this trade. The moment that I took the trade, I told the class, I'm in this trade. So all of them, those who have read the message in the channel, in the website, they are all in the trade. I gave them 4 trade. I gave them Euro UJ. I give them USD, Euros USD, Euro CHF. I gave them Euro Yen, and I gave them Aussie New Zealand. Those trades are all open, potential trade, and they are all on sale. We're selling all of them. So it's not about, it's about how you execute your trade. It's to build the confidence of your student. It's just like, okay, not everybody has a quick learning. So what I'm doing is that I told them, focus on one trade. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm showing them that it is not, Bruce Lee always says that fear the one who can give you one kick in 1,000 times than the one that will execute you many kicks. So I focus on one and I execute them nicely. You see, I execute this trade right now. It's on break even. I mean, I put a thing there. Whatever he's gonna do, it's gonna keep going. Because I've been watching this trade from Friday. We go to this place, and then from Friday, we started looking at this trade. And I said, okay, guys, Friday, we took the first sell here. We took the first, I got taken out from this. If you look at the account history I posted, I took off stop losses here. This is called, something we call it open rejection, okay? In this type of open rejection, what happens is that market will take time. You need patience. The secret of trading open rejections, this is the name we put here. The secret of trading this is patience. Market will open an auction around the previous highest, but he will never break the high. And this is exactly what the market did here. It opens, went auction up and down without breaking the highest. And this is where it's gonna start hunting down retailers. It's gonna start taking down retailers for stop loss because they know where you are putting your stop loss. So what do? We observe the market, we observe the trade when it's ready for execution before we enter. And this is exactly what we picked this morning. The first target for today is Monday. It's not a trading day, but at least we're gonna get this downside. First of all, this is smart money zone. So if we see that there is smart money here, this gives us a selling tail. This is a selling tail. This is a gap. This is liquidity here. So we are looking for this to come and take this low. First, we take our money from here. We are out of the game. Let Monday play. Tomorrow, we're going to execute it again. Because we know that we have something called open rejection. Open rejection, market will never break the top, but it's going to be up and down. And if you don't know how to observe this, you're going to be in zeta without getting to know where you are going, okay? So this is an advice to, you're right, my brother. Patience is the key. Thank you, Mr. Mo. Welcome. And this is exactly how many of us are struggling as a successful trader. We don't have the patience to observe all this trade. We just jump in the market because somebody say, oh, it's going down, it's going up. No, it is not going nowhere. Just wait for your start of execution and then you're gonna get it. All right, so we are looking at this trade this week. I'll give you my forecast of my trade for my class, okay? This is my long-term trade setup and forecast for what Aussie is doing, Aussie card. We're gonna have a buy up to this level or even break the top to give us the downside. We are coming down. So Aussie card, we're gonna head up. We are buying today until tomorrow. When we break this top, start looking for your downside. Start looking for downside after we break the top. So keep a close eye on this side. Okay, I'll put the eye there. I'll post this on YouTube as well. So if you miss any, you can watch it on YouTube and then you clean up, you make some money from there. Aussie, New Zealand. He said, bro, did you take them today? I've said that already, like over here. Okay, I think the TPO, time, price, and opportunity. We watched something with TPO. Okay, yeah, these are today's trade. You can see from here that I'll just, sorry to jump back on. You can see it's this morning. This trade is today. I didn't take it yesterday. This is right now, a few minutes ago. You can check it. The price that is telling you is 9 o'clock in UK time, which is 1:00 in Australian time, 9:28 and 9:13. That's how this trade was executed. Okay, bro. All right. Let me go to the charts. Sorry for clarifying the question for you. Okay. So we have this for the buy up. We are buying this thing up here. We are taking this trade up here. We're gonna come down here before they get the big downside. So keep an eye for today and tomorrow. Market will reach here before we get the downside. Aussie Chief is not ready. It's just still there. Yeah, so there is nothing really. It's too slow as well. So let it do what he's doing. We're still gonna break the top. Aussie Chief will come and break this top today. It will come somewhere here before first. So just give an eye. We are still stuck in a bracket. Okay, when it reach here, we're gonna come the downside. So keep a close eye. It's making a nice bracket, double distribution trading in a bigger time frame. Okay, we're gonna take the top here, then we come down. So let it break the tops first. The Aussie has a little potential of breaking the previous tops on the daily time frame. Yeah, we're gonna go to Euro USD, but let me take everything step by step. Aussie yen. Aussie yen as well. You can see I have got my lines here from yesterday. I posted this on the channel for everybody in the public channel to look for this buy. From here, we say it's coming here. When you reach here, start looking for your sell. So which is maybe New York time. You can execute this sell around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, or 2 o'clock in New York. So this is coming. If you want to go for short time frame, you can take a buy. Your stop loss stays here, and you take 1-to-1. Your TP. You look for your sell. So this will be ready today. This trade will be ready today. So keep a close eye here. Okay, if you check the forecast that I posted in the channel, this buy was posted for you guys, and this sell is there. So personally speaking, people like me, I don't look for this buy. I'll tell you the truth. I don't look for this buy. I will never buy this. I will only look for the sell trades. When the trade is here, I will wait for the trade to sell here. I will not buy. I don't know how. I don't have confidence to take 20, 50 pips, but I want to take this. That is my style of trading. Next trade is Aussie New Zealand as well. We took this morning. Everybody, all my guys are in the trade as well. This morning, yes, we took it exactly from here. TPO, time, price, and opportunity. Okay, so this is your TP, your target. This is your target. Let it reach here and you are out. So hold this trade. If you are not in, you can get in. You can get in this trade. Your stop loss stays here. I told them to put 20 in, 40 pip stop loss maximum, because they took it from here, and I told them to put their stop loss here. So this is their stop loss, and then this is the trade profit. There is liquidity here, so we are guaranteed to come and take this pin before we reverse. Okay, so keep a close eye and take this sell. It's very, very important sell. Oh, I tried to not to be on fire. Okay, Aussie New Zealand. Aussie dollar is the trade that I'm really looking at it at this moment. And I'm looking to go for short, okay? So I'm looking for this short. I will suggest I'm looking for 10 o'clock UK time to execute these trades. Let me quickly close some of my trades on the other side of the computer. Just a second, because I have two different accounts that man is cleaning up. So you know what? Let me leave it because it's Aussie yen, Euro yen is. I'm gonna execute this trade. I'm trying to go for Aussie. You know that my best friend is Aussie New Zealand. Aussie dollar. I'm trying to get this sell. So this is the trade that, personally speaking, I'm trying to execute him. And I'll be watching this every day just to make sure that I got the sell. So if you are taking this sell right now this morning, your stop loss stays here. Just put your stop loss here and clean this trade. Okay, so I'm gonna take a sell now in front of everybody. Aussie New Zealand, where are you? Here is it. Okay, and then I'll go for 15 minutes and see where the market is playing. Okay, so I'm going for my sell. Okay, my stop loss will go above this one. Please, I put £30 stop loss. Okay, Let me take it in another computer as well, the other accounts. Aussie New Zealand. Where is Aussie dollar? Sorry. I'm always confusing myself with Aussie dollar. You can take it if you want, put your stop loss a bit above it so that you know what you are doing and how you are heading to. Okay. Yeah, this is a sell position, sell mode. If you put here with my rules of Isaac Magic, you can even see that this is around 886 position. So I'm not really worried about him. He's gonna drop. I just want to, okay, yeah, here is it. I want to execute it on another computer as well. Okay, this is how many? 150. Okay. All right, it's done. Okay, I have taken all my trades now. So I'm done for the day. All right, so we can carry on going with the YouTube. Now I can focus on everything. So Aussie dollar, I'm looking for this trend to run down. We are writing down. Where is your target? It might be the train that is taking you to your destination. Okay, this might be the trade taking you to destination. You are making higher lows. Higher lows. We didn't break this top. That means you are coming to break this low. Okay, so we are heading down. If you can hold this trade over here, I saw this and I closed it here without holding. I was expecting this and some people hold it, but for now is the time I will take this trade and it's the time I'm going to hold this trade for long term. Okay, so this is also done. Aussie dollar, we are heading for sell side. Card. Let me see the card. Where are we now? Card is the crucial position for us. There is liquidity here. Card chief, there is liquidity here to take, and market will end up by taking down to this level. Okay, to equal low. Yeah, it's also a sell. So keep a close eye on this trade. Let's see how it's going. You can make a big difference in your account. Card came to the point of our position we are looking for. Here it's supposed to be. So I'm waiting for him to come, but it didn't reach here, but only a few pips, 15, 10, 20 pips. If this proved to be the downside, you can take yourself to this level. If you are selling from your stop loss stays here, let's take this trade down here because I've got enough trades. I've got 3 trades open in one account and 4 trades open in another account. So I don't want to go too much with all trades, but this is those who want to trade this, you can go for the trade to get this low. This is your target. Okay, you are getting this sell to this way. All right. Today is Monday, so make sure you close your trade tonight. Wherever the trade will reach, close it because tomorrow or tomorrow evening, market to make a reverse for the bigger move, which is this one. So market can finish here this week today, and the Tuesday or Wednesday we're gonna get the buy. So keep a close eye for this as your target. Next trade is Chief Yen. Chief Yen is downside, so you can see, just follow my drawings, okay? Chief Yen is looking for downside, so we come here, yeah, this is your target, and we're gonna look for the buy. So we are heading down. This is a rough flat for continuation. So keep a close eye on it. Next one. Where can we put TP? Look at the position that I told you. Watch the video again and just position yourself as soon as we post there. My trades are not 10 pips, 20 pips setups. My trades are always potentially 200 pips trade setups that I always give. Because I don't trade the corrective patterns. I trade minimum you can get is 100 to 200 pips setups. So if you are taking all my trade, make sure you have minimum 100 pips stop loss, 100 pips TP. Okay. My trades are not baby pips. It's potential high probability pips. So we can go for that. After this, we will do the Q&A. I'll just give you the market forecast first so that we can do dollar index. The dollar index, personally speaking, I'm looking at dollar index to come down to this level. But here is a potential open drive. Okay, we can turn from here up or we can come down here to complete this and we go. So what is missing in the dollar index right now is some few moves. This moves is what is missing, just few ones here. So around here, you can start looking for your buyers. Around here, we are looking for our buyers from here. So what is your execution method? What do you see before you execute is what we do in our classroom. So right now I'm doing this. I will just do something simple for you guys and say that, okay, this should be a buy position. You are getting a buying tail. So the dollar index is going to give us a nice buy now. It should be ready to start going for the buy. That means USD is going to gain momentum. The dollar index is going up from here. It's no more going to reach here because I'm getting the buying tail here. As far as with the buying tail, anytime you see this, it's a sign the market has changed direction, like what happened here. Okay, so I'm looking at the buying tail now, and we're going to execute it to the top. So dollar index is changed. That means opposite direction, UJ, Aussie dollar, USD card, all of them is about to start spinning in the direction of the dollar. Okay, so the dollar index update is now done. It is no more going downstairs to this level. It's gonna keep going up from here because we have already taken up the buying tails. So 50 minutes right, this is your buy setup. Your stop loss stays below the close candle. Your stop loss is staying here. So in this case, you can keep your eyes on euro dollar. Your stop loss stays here and your TP is going. So we are no more coming down here. This is not valid. This is valid. The least you can get is come to tango. Then you'll be already on break even or even more than, but now it's okay for you to drive up. So dollar index is heading up. This is my target, my trade forecast, and everything that we are doing. This is the potential trade. Okay, so it's either he's gonna come and go here, or he's gonna come here and go. So all of this, for me, from this range, I'm looking for buyers. I will never sell this. I will only look for buyers. All right. Euro Oz is not the best trade at the moment. Yeah, I'm waiting for him to do something first. So I'm not gonna go. But Euro card is a buy. So I'm waiting for retracement back to my PWO or somewhere here. I'm waiting for my retracement here before I'm gonna go for the buy. So this will not be a good trade today. It's gonna be very slow. But if you get the buy, keep your eyes looking for the buy. Keep your eyes looking for the buy. There's a good trade coming. GA, Euro Chief. Let's take step by step. Then we're gonna do everything. We have already talked about the Euro Chief, where we are all in this trade already. Okay, so we are all in this trade, and this is your target. We started looking for this. As I said, this is a double open rejection reverse. This takes time, and the secret of taking this part of information is patience. So this is doing his thing. Let's make him finished. But it's a sell, so make sure you are in the sell. Pound dollar is also in the right spot of a buy. Euro GBP is a buy. So keep your eyes on this buy. It hit exactly on our buy PWVA and it's going. So this is your target. If you get this trade, make sure your stop loss stays 20 to 30 pips below. And there you go. Okay. So we are having a buy here. You can see the drawing there as well. Euro yen, we are already in the sell. Nothing to talk about of the euro yen because we are all in this sell already. And this is our liquidity data. This is our downside and this is our target. So keep a close eye for the sell. This is very important for you to take your trade. Euro New Zealand, I'm looking for the buy, but it's not ready as well. We are waiting for the buy to come here before we go for the buy. Like I say, my trades are high probability trade. And one trade will give you a very good account if you get it right and you stay in the market. This is where we can take 3 loss, 4 loss, 5 loss. But if your trade gets in your direction, you clean all of this as you clean all your loss plus profit. This is how I do my forecast. Remember, I used to trade C to C wave. The C, this is my C wave, and this is another C wave. But I'm combining price action with institutional order flow. So this is giving me a good edge with more probability of success than losses, with minimum risk reward between 20 to 40 pips stop loss. Because not every trade will give you 30 pips stop loss. It's a lie. Some trade will give you 50 pips stop loss target. You cannot control all, but you can control your risk. If this decide to go, we can't control our profit. But we know that we are risking very small trade. That's why you're waiting for the trade to come here before we execute the buy. Okay. Next one is euro dollar. Euro dollar is potentially, like I said, if the dollar is not going to complete the bottom of the dollar index, that means euro dollar will take this side and we start migrating back down. That means we are no more heading here. But I won't be surprised to see this thing still climbing up until New York open. Yeah, I won't be surprised for this. I would rather wait for this, because one of them is slow and one of them is fast. The dollar index sometimes it do a little funny moves. So I will personally be waiting for execution trade here or here. I'm not gonna jump in this now. I'm not in this trade because there is a liquidity bank here, low volume liquidity here. So market can still take this before the downside. So I'm keeping a close eye on this. And then I'm waiting for I'm waiting for the data of the court report as well to give me a clear indication that this is going to be a buy for the week, or this is going to be on double distribution day. So I'm looking for a lot of information when it comes to the dollar index and the euro dollar. I don't just take it anyhow. I wait for a clear information. Pound Oz. Pound Oz, so you can see from here, we are waiting for the buy from here. So I'm waiting. When you break above here, go for your buy. I have forecasted for the whole week, the whole month. I would suggest that the whole month setup that I have personally forecasted, looking for this kind of moves. If this behave like this, I'm gonna take my buy tomorrow, not today. Today, this is just accumulating some orders. This is your move. If you put your FIB, you can even look for 618 or 786 or 618. So these are positions that we can even look for our buyers. So you can, I don't really use it for this. I don't use FIBs really in this phase. I will just go pure on price action. So we are looking for this to come here. We're gonna buy up here. We come down here, we buy again, and then we are coming down. So I'm looking at market structure based on the Aussie pound Oz, so that we can make some interesting money. Pound card, I'm still looking for the buy. I'm still looking for the buy because there is liquidity, so it's gonna make its pullback. Probably come down here without breaking this low, and then we'll carry on. Keep your eyes on the certain trades that you want to see, and then pound yen downside. Okay, pound yen is a sell. I was about to take this trade, but because I'm in Aussie New Zealand, I'm in Euro yen, so I didn't take the pound yen, and I'm in UJCL as well. So I don't want to go too much on yen, JPY trade. I don't want to go, but this is a nice sell for downside up to. There's a potential good trade here. There is heavy potential trade up to this level, to where the data bank is. So keep a close eye for your downside. This, I'm just giving you market insights. After the insight, we can get your Q&A, your questions to be answered. For now, let me focus the market around so that you get your directional conviction to compare to your one that is right. Okay, pound New Zealand, I'm looking for the buy. So I'm waiting for this to give me a buy signal before I take my buy. So let's wait for him. It's not ready. We're gonna wait until this finish what he's doing here. If tomorrow it gives me Tuesday, I'm gonna buy. But I'm not taking this trade until I've got a clear indication that it's gonna change. Okay, don't just buy. Make sure you see what you see before you buy. Dollar, USD, GBP, USD as well. Let's wait for clear. Last week, I said to these guys that they shouldn't worry about this trade. This trade is being 50-50 for both hedge funders and retailers and the institutional banks. If you look at here, they bought it and then the sellers came in. It's been doing 50-50 all day. So I told them not to do any because we are likely to come and complete this side first before it will come down. So this, whatever he's doing, I'm not really taking this trade until he gives me a clear indication that the upside. It's been ranging for about 3 months, I think. So it's too much ranging for you to stay in. You buy it, in the next moment you get spikes, then you are taken out. So let's wait for clear information before we go for this trade. Anything else? Gold, US, UK, or your USD card as well. Yeah, USD card is cooking for the buy. This is TPO, and this is our buying tail that is giving us. So I'm looking for a buy from here. So those who want USD card, you can look for that straight away. This is your target. This is a long-term buy. Okay, so execute your buy. Keep a close eye on it. USD chief for downside. Let this finish his sell here. There's liquidity here. Let him finish down here before you make any decision. Okay, it's gonna go up first, the downside, and before you look for the buy. Okay, all right. I will give you gold. Oh, UJ is already done because we are all selling UJ. So I'll give you gold, and then I'll leave the rest for Q&A. The gold is gonna come down here. There is liquidity here for gold to go. Last week, I told somebody he wanted to sell gold around here. And I told him that, look, gold has taken all this liquidity because the whole world is telling you that gold is a sell. You want to sell. Don't do that. You sold it, close your trade. This is a buy. Okay, gold is a buy, but I'm waiting for the data to calculate to see how much percentage is a buy and how much percentage is a sell. Then I'll use this with price action to execute the buy. If it's a sell, the data will tell us it's a sell, and I'm not going to waste my time buying because this is very expensive. All right. So any question, thank you for watching, and thank you for being here this morning. I'm going to post it on YouTube, and then you can like and share it, and then invite your friends to join us another time. This is just the market forecast for the day, but for the week especially, because this is a long-term trade set as I've given you. Enjoy. So you can invite your friends to join the channel or you share it. Thank you.